Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font on Safari web pages on your iPhone. This method uses the Shortcuts app, and once everything is set up, you can switch web page fonts in just a few taps. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it from the App Store. Inside Shortcuts, tap on Gallery at the bottom, then use the search bar and look for the shortcut called Change Font. Once you find it, tap Add Shortcut. After adding it, the next thing you need to do is enable a setting that allows the shortcut to work properly. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Shortcuts, then tap Advanced, and turn on Allow Running Scripts. This is required because the shortcut uses JavaScript to modify the text style on web pages. Now open Safari and visit any web page where you want to change the font. One important thing to keep in mind is that it's safer to use this on pages where you're not signed into sensitive accounts like banking, school, or work websites. If needed, sign out before using the shortcut. Once the web page loads, tap the Share button at the bottom of Safari. Scroll down through the Share sheet until you find Change Font. If you want quicker access in the future, tap Edit Actions and move Change Font closer to the top of the list. That way, you won't need to scroll every time. After tapping Change Font, you'll see different font options appear. Select any font you like, and Safari may ask for permission to allow the shortcut to interact with the web page. Tap Allow, and within a few seconds the text on the page will switch to the new font style. You'll notice that regular web page text changes immediately, while text inside images usually stays the same because images can't be edited by the shortcut. Also, some websites may look better with certain fonts than others, so feel free to test a few styles until you find one you like. By the way, if this DelftStack tutorial is helping you, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more iPhone and Safari tips like this. One useful thing about this trick is that if you move between pages using the back gesture, the modified font often stays active on that page. But if you fully refresh the web page or reopen it later, the font usually resets back to normal, so you'll just need to run the shortcut again. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can change fonts on Safari web pages on your iPhone. If this video helped you, do not forget to subscribe to the channel DelftStack for more helpful and easy-to-follow tech tutorials.